Rest your compass on point A, find the center of the square, and draw an arc which passes through the top and left side of the square. Repeat this on point B, point C, and point D. Connect each intersecting point like so, cutting off the corners. Erase the points of the square, and there we have our octagon. Prepare 2 new squares for the next 2 octagrams. Create your marks on the square like we did with the octagon. From here, connect every second intersecting point, rather than every point like we did with the octagon. Feel free to colour it in. Mine's a mess. It's the first one I ever made, but you get the idea. This next shape is also an octagram. Simply connect every 3rd intersecting point. Feel free to colour it in. Please be sure to always draw your pencil lines really lightly to begin with. Unlike what I did here, I struggle to erase the lines. Draw 2 diagonal lines through the center point. Join every point of every line around the circle's edge. Feel free to shade it in. You now have your octagon. Erase out any messy bits around the outside. The octagram is similar, but simply connect every second point within the circle, creating 2 squares. An octagon has 8 flat edges. An octagram has 8 points. A static shape rests on its side. A dynamic shape rests on its point. Thank you for watching. Tomorrow we will build on this class by creating tile patterns. Look forward to seeing you then.